Hello, we are on our way to visit Thoi Son Islet. The car is crossing Rach Mieu Bridge. River tourism is nothing more than traveling by boat. You can visit the pier on Thoi side or ride to the foot of Rach Mieu Bridge on Bến Tre side. If you go on a boat ride, we'll take you to visit the islets on the Tien River between Bến Tre and Giang. The tour includes transportation, a tour guide, lunch, and ticket fees for the activities.
Mở phao đi.
The boat slowly left the wharf, taking us on a tour of life along the river. The wind is cool and the scenery is so peaceful. On both sides are lush green villages. In the distance are coconut trees waving in the wind. The sound of the wind, the sound of the water, and the music of đờn ca tài tử echoes in our ears. There are many exciting activities that you can do on tour, from visiting the beekeeping gardens and the coconut candy factory, enjoying fresh fruits picked from gardens. Coconut candy has become one of the most famous specialties in southern Vietnam, especially on Bến Tre, which is known as the coconut land. You can visit traditional coconut candy factories, learn about coconut candy making process, and taste some of them. You can also try the area's typical coconut ice lolly, fat and fragrant. People on Thoi Son Islet and surrounding area are well known for traditional works such as beekeeping, coconut processing, and producing handicrafts. Therefore, tourists can visit traditional craft villages and buy unique souvenirs from local produce.
Có sô-cô-la thì hồi phát cho ông Bảo. Là des mets sur ses feuilles, que ça prend la forme que tu vois que j'ai moi. Đó là hơi nước ướt cái cồn. Bên anh ở đây đứng thở.
Hai loại, anh lấy hai loại đi, cái này dừa còn cái kia sữa dừa hành, nó hai loại. Lấy cái này bên kia rồi.
Rồi. Ủa,
anh lấy mấy thì. Ông đi đây luôn.
Cái gì nước ở đây thì nó đây là những người mà gọi là ký ức thời trong này ăn cà rem vậy đó, ai cũng phải trải qua là sống và lớn lên ở trong Bến Tre là phải đi bơi xuồng chặt cái này về ăn. Nhưng mà các bạn này sẽ pha chế là nước dừa dứa. Hôm nào chú mà ở Sài Gòn chú mua về chú làm mà theo con người Sài Gòn là ăn không có ngon. Chú làm theo cái bạn ở đây nè.
And never miss the experience of sitting on leisurely horse carriage rides on the winding roads of Thoi Son commune. In the early years of the 20th century, horse carriage was a popular means of transport in the south. According to many recorded documents, at that time there were many horse-drawn carriages in Saigon, Gia Định, Cần Thơ, Gò Công, Mỹ Tho, and Bến Tre. While riding in a carriage, you can enjoy the fresh air, admiring the beauty of gardens and local lives. The Mekong Delta is favored by nature, so the climate is mild and the land is rich. This place has long been famous as the fruit kingdom. When you come here, you will enjoy the fresh fruits in the garden. After visiting the islands, we'll stop at local people's houses to enjoy lunch with local specialists.
Rồi ngồi đi rồi.